Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're doing a carrot and lentil soup. There's a ton of it here, there's really loads. Really simple, basic ingredients. I'm keeping this one vegan. It's absolutely delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at these simple ingredients we're using today. So, carrots, star of the show, lentils, potatoes, onions, garlic, and cumin powder. Let's take a further look. So, in here I'm just washing these and just soaking these for a few minutes. Red lentils, there's like 2 or 3 cups of lentils there. Potatoes, to the carrots, it's probably 1/3. So yeah, 1/3 to those, and they're about the same. So 1/3 onions, 1/3 potatoes to the carrots. There's a tablespoon there for this amount of chopped garlic, and a tablespoon of cumin powder. Now, if you wanted, you could be adding some celery, some other different vegetables if you wanted at the beginning. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper only. I'm not using stock for this, I'm just using water. If you wanted, you could be doing some form of vegetable stock or something like that. Let's go over to the cooker and make this really easy soup. Okay, so super easy. So I've got some oil in there. I'm just using some sunflower oil, not too much at all. You could be using something else if you wanted. We're going to get the potatoes in. Our onions in. Don't be shy on the onions. A big part of the flavour is that. And then the carrots, in they go. Okay, so with the touch of oil, onions, carrots and potatoes. I mean, if you want, you can play around with the ratio here of the vegetables. And like I say, a bit of celery in here could be nice now, or some other vegetables. We're just going to sweat this off now for about just 5 or 6 minutes. Then we'll add the rest of the ingredients and then off we go. You can walk away. So give that a stir. 5-6 minutes, see you then. Okay, so absolutely nowhere near cooked yet, as you can see. But what we have done is started to get a little bit of colour on them. Just get them on their way. Now you can see these are massively chunky bits that I've done. It's because we're going to liquidize it, so it doesn't really matter how big your bits are. So now what we're going to do is I'm now going to add in those red lentils, which, like I said, I just washed them. So there's like a cup or 2 cups there. We're now going to go in with some salt, some black pepper, that tablespoon of cumin, and that tablespoon of chopped garlic. Now you could be going in any direction with the spices. You could be adding a little bit of chili powder here, some curry powder, kind of make it a kind of spicy sort of thing, some bay leaf in the mix. Up to you. I'm keeping it really quite simple, just with that cumin and the garlic. Then what we're going to do another 3 or 4 minutes. Again, just get it moving, get it on its way. After that, we're simply going to add some liquid, in my case just water. Let it do its thing, liquidize it, it's going to be fantastic. Super easy, super tasty. Wonderful. Really easy now. We're going to get some liquid, water, whatever you want. Like I said, stock if you wanted. I'm using water. So in it all goes. Grab a little bit more, I think, water. Just about 1.5 of these jugs, so 1.5 litres maybe, or something like that. You want to just cover it, make sure that the water comes up, a couple of centimetres above. Really easy. Bring that to the boil now. Once it reaches boiling point, lower the heat, get it to a rolling boil, and then what we're looking for is baby food. Do you know what I mean? We want everything in here super soft. It's probably going to take about 20 to 25 minutes once it reaches boiling point. Lid on. Give it a stir every now and then if you like. We're nearly done. Okay, so off goes the heat. That actually went on for 30 minutes, I think. As you can see, everything's really kind of soft. Super soft, actually, like that. Now, if you were to taste that now, it would taste just like boiled vegetables. It's when we liquidize it, it's really going to come together and be beautiful. Now, I've got one of these guys that goes in and we whiz it up. Or you could use it, you know, like a multi-chef, like jug, if you wanted to do it. This is much better. If you haven't got one of these, get one. They're really, really cheap. There's loads on the market. We use it all the time. Okay, let me do that. Whiz it up for about just, 3 minutes. Take a look at it then, give it a taste. Okay, so as you saw, I just had a little touch of water because it was really thick. So water or stock. Now, we're going to give it a taste. Amazing. What I'm going to do is add a touch more salt. Now, if you wanted, you could put a touch of cream in there if you wanted. This is completely vegan, this one. Maybe some fresh coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. Squeeze of lemon. But that's it. You've got a really amazing, beautiful, hearty saucepan of soup. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.